Okay, so there's just 2 screws that hold these ends on, both ends, 2 screws on each end. Then give it a little quarter turn and then pull it off. And there you've got your piston on this side. And then on the other side, there is an impeller. Go ahead and take this off. There was 2 screws there, and just twist it and pull it off. Now the shaft will come apart, and it just happened to come apart when I was taking it apart there, but it just snaps together. So, but what you need to do is there is a small filter in here that needs to get cleaned periodically. It gets pretty nasty, and what I used was my old water pick. You could probably blow it out with air, but this worked pretty good. My old water pick that I don't really like to use, so for anything else, it's good for cleaning stuff. And clean that out, and then I used a silicone O-ring lubricant on all the seals. Cleaned it out really good. The randomizing ball goes on the, make sure you don't lose it, but it goes on the clear end. It goes through here. It can't go on the other side. So anyway, these parts can only go on in one direction, so you don't have to worry about it. Well, before I do that, put the impeller back in, and then this piston, and then snap it together. Like I said, I used the O-ring lubricant on all the seals, and of course cleaned it out really good. And just give it a quarter turn. There we go. And that's basically it. It's basically cleaning and lubricating. So hopefully that helps. Bye.